Good evening, my dear students.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Students, we are dealing with chapter number 2, polynomials, in which we have finished the first part of the syllabus, that is, definition of polynomial and detailed classification of polynomial. Also, we solved exercise 2.1, which is based on the same theoretical aspect which I have mentioned just now. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So today, we are going to begin with a new concept of polynomials from where your actual syllabus of 9th standard begins. This is because whatever we have dealt with so far in the earlier classes, this was the revision of your earlier standards, 7th, 8th. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to begin with the actual syllabus of polynomials for grade 9 students. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can anybody tell what is the side heading to be written according to the syllabus which I gave? Quick.
Zeros of polynomial.
Yeah. All of you write down the side heading. Zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Okay. Now, this is a new concept which we have to understand. Basically, what is the concept? Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Beta, to understand this particular concept, let us take some example first. We will go through the example. Then depending on the example, we will try our level best to judge the meaning of the zeros of polynomial. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, let me take one polynomial, a simple polynomial with a degree 1, that is linear polynomial. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Let p of x is equal to 2x minus 4. What I have done, beta? I took a linear polynomial, that is 2x minus 4. Now question comes, what is this? Students, this is read as polynomial in variable x. I repeat, polynomial in variable x is equal to 2x minus 4. In short, p of x is equal to 2x minus 4. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now, since x is a variable, x is what, beta?
Variable.
Variable.
The meaning variable means its value keeps on changing from one to the other to the another to the another. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So now I will start assuming some of the values for the variable x. So let me begin with 0. Put x is equal to 0. If I do it, I'm going to have p of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 4. Beta, can you tell me what will be the answer if I solve it?
0 minus 4 is equals to 4.
Yeah, 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. So
Minus
first, what
4.
I have done, I took x is equal to 0. I have put in the place of x and I solved. I got the polynomial answer as minus 4. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let x is equal to 1. If I substitute 1 in the place of x, p of n 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 4. Can you tell me, beta, what will be the final answer?
Minus 2. Minus 2.
Yeah. Beta, you people keep yourself off. Your microphone should be off. Whenever you will give the answers, you can on it, again you can off it. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Now, if I put x is equal to 2, what happens? Let us see. X is equal to 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 into the bracket 2 minus 4. Better tell me what is the answer? The answer
0.
0.
0. Now, better in the same manner, we can continue. We can take x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5. Not only positive numbers, you can take the negative numbers also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
Everywhere, whenever you take certain value for the x, the variable, you are going to get some answers at the end. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now observe the
Yes,
things
sir.
properly. When you have put x is equal to 0, the answer was minus 4. When you have put x is equal to 1, the answer was minus 2. And when you have put x is equal to 0, beta, sorry, x is equal to 2, what you have got?
0.
0. So in this case, beta, in this example, x is equal to 2. Here, x is equal to 2 is considered as as a zero of a polynomial. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
So, looking at this beta, can anybody try to tell what is zero of polynomial? Why this one called as zero of a polynomial? Why not x is equal to 1? Why not x is equal to 0? Any answers beta quick?
Because the sum is 0, sir, last.
Yeah beta, you are correct. Can you extend it? You will make a proper sentence beta. Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah.
The value of x that cause the polynomial is equals to 0.
Very good, beta. Absolutely right. Look at this. These are all the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, minus 1, minus 2, any numbers, beta. These are all the values for the variable. Out of all the values, the one value which will convert the polynomial into 0. I repeat, the value which will convert polynomial into 0, that particular value is termed as 0 of a polynomial. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Any confusions?
No, sir.
So, what we can write, beta? We can say the values, the certain values of variable which converts the given polynomial into 0 are called as zeros of a polynomial. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So here, one more
Yes,
concept, beta.
sir.
Zeros of polynomial, I'm telling. In this case, there is only one value. X is equal to 2, making the polynomial as 0. But in some other cases, we will get maybe two values making the polynomial 0, maybe three values making a polynomial as 0, maybe four values making a polynomial as 0. Are you understanding the concept, beta?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes, sir.
depends on the nature of the polynomial taken into the consideration. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you do
Yes,
one thing,
sir.
beta. Write down this side heading. I will dictate a paragraph. First write it down. Later I'll go for the example. Quick. Make a para.
Yes, sir.
Certain values. Make a para. Certain values of the variable. Certain values of the variable which converts which converts the polynomial into 0 are called as zeros of polynomial are called as zeros of polynomial. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Jia, Jia, repeat the sentence beta. Quick.
Yes, sir.
Certain.
Certain values of the variables which converts the polynomial into zeros are called as zeros of polynomial.
Okay, beta. Right below. For example, right below number one, copy this. Let p of x is equal to 2x minus 4. Whatever I have written, beta, the entire thing copy it. Quick. Do it fast. This is the first example. I'll take one more example before I go to the exercise. Okay. Students, done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast, fast. Finish it off. Take a screenshot if you want. Okay. Shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but look at this. There are three values which we have taken for the variable x. Out of three, these two are not converting the polynomial into zero, but the one with x is equal to 2 converting the polynomial into zero. Hence, we call this particular value x is equal to 2 as the zero of polynomial 2x minus 4. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me take one more example. I'll make some changes in the example, beta. Second one, P of M. P of M is equal to M square plus 5M plus 6. Students, can you tell me what is the change in the example, beta? Quick.
Two
Sir, here
variable.
only variables.
Two variable. Just take out. Is it two variable?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Only
Then
one
what is the
variable.
what is the change in this question and the earlier question? Quick. The example which I have taken, earlier example and this example, what is the change, beta?
That was binomial, sir. This was trinomial, sir.
Okay, first change. Earlier it was binomial, now it is trinomial. Okay, one change. What is the other change? Yeah, better compare the example one with two. This is one correct. Earlier binomial, only two terms were there. Now there are three terms, trinomial. This is correct. What is the other change in the example? Quick.
Quadratic polynomial.
Yeah, beta, this is important. Earlier one, the degree was one. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So, that earlier was linear, the present, the highest power is 2, hence the degree is 2. So, we call it as quadratic. Am I right, beta?
Quadratic.
Yeah. There is one more change. What is that change? Yeah. What is the one more change, beta? Just look at this example and the earlier example. Look at this. No answers.
Subtraction and addition.
No. Beta, very simple. It is visible. Okay. Shall I write?
Terms.
Okay, beta. In the earlier, the variable was x. Now here, what is the variable, beta?
M, sir.
Yeah, simple word. Earlier, x was the variable. Now m is the variable. There is one more slight change. X was repeating only once, beta, one time. But here,
Here
it is
m is
repeating
repeating two times, sir.
two times. So, these are the three changes which we can observe. Two terms, now three terms. Linear, that is degree 1, quadratic degree 2. The variable was x, now the variable is m. It was only one time, it is two times. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But among all these changes, what is important is this one, the order, the degree of the polynomial. Are you getting the concept what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let us see how this is going to affect the zeros of polynomial. We'll do the same work. Put m is equal to 0. So P of 0 will be 0 the square plus 5 into 0 plus 6. Students, if I solve it, can you tell me what will be the answer? Quick.
Sir, 6, sir. 6.
Yeah. Are you sure? 6 will be the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if I take m is equal to 1, tell me students what will be the answer? Quick.
1
How
square.
much you are going to do?
12,
How
sir.
much?
12.
Very good. Now, beta, if I put m is equal to 2, what will be the answer? Quick.
20.
It is 20. Students, look at this. I have taken 0, I got 6. I have taken 1, I got 12. I have taken 2, I got 20. Beta, how you will increase? Here, it is going to be increased. Understanding the concept?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will stop taking the positive values. I'll take the negative values. Let me take m is equal to minus 1. What will be the answer, beta? Let us see. In the place of m, I'm writing minus 1 plus 6. Beta, now if I solve, what will be the answer? Can anybody tell quickly? Minus 1 the square is 1. This is plus
2.
into minus.
2, sir.
Plus, yeah,
2.
6 plus 1, 7, 7 minus 2. Sorry, 7 minus 5 is 2. Answer is 2. Correct, beta? Now put m is equal to minus 2. Solve it and tell me the answer, beta, in the rough paper. Do it. Tell me what will be the answer. Quick.
Sir. Sir, 0, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at this. Minus 2 the square becomes 4. Plus into minus, minus 5 twos are 10. 6 as it is. 6 and 4. It becomes 10. Positive 10. It is negative 10. So 0. Am I right, beta?
Eh,
So we got one value, beta. M is equal to minus 2. The polynomial into 3. Correct, beta? Now, let us check with one more value. Students, do it in the rough and tell me the answer. M is equal to minus 3. Put here, tell me what is the answer. Quick.
Sir, 0, sir.
Again, we are going to get 0, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Students, now after this, you take M is equal to minus 4, minus 5, whatever the number, you are not going to get a 0 as the answer. So in this case, there are two values of the variable M which are converting the given polynomial into 0. Hence, how many zeros are there beta here?
2, sir.
Two. What are those? What are those?
M is equals to minus 2. M is equals to minus 3.
So I'll write the sentence here. M is equal to minus 2 and M is equal to minus 3 are the zeros of given polynomial. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So beta, everything, write it down properly and systematically. Write it. Right from here. Copy all the things. Show the box for the last two and mention this sentence. Quick beta. Written?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Write it fast. Take a screenshot if you want. Quick. Okay, beta. All of you observe. I have taken one polynomial which is a quadratic polynomial, the degree 2. Correct?
Yes.
I started assuming I started assuming the values for the variable m. I started with 0, then positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, whatever. Then I started with the negatives also. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I got some values, some answers. Out of all beta, there are only the two values, m is equal to -2 and m is equal to -3, which are converting the polynomial into 0. Hence, these two will be termed as zeros of polynomial. Are you getting the concept, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, I hope you people understood the meaning of the sentence, the definition which I have given. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, beta, I will repeat the sentence once again. The certain values of the variable which converts the polynomial into 0 are referred as zeros of the polynomial. Is there any issues, beta?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, I will give you one simple example to remember in day-to-day life. This concept. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Question comes, what is that? Beta, all of you observe. We can treat zeros of polynomial as the enemies of a person, enemies of one particular person. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Usually, beta, usually, what is the work of the enemy? What the enemy will do to a particular person? Yeah,
Hurt them.
yeah, beta, hurt them, spoil them, destroy them. In simple words, correct?
Yes, sir.
Suppose Jia is the enemy of Muskan. Obviously, Jia is going to destroy the Muskan. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
I'm just taking one example, beta. Jia, don't take seriously, sir. I'm not a enemy of Muskan. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So here, the zeros of polynomial means, beta, in simple words, they are the enemies for the polynomial because these numbers, these values of the variable destroying the polynomial completely. They are making it anda. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
So, in life, enemies will make us zero. In mathematics, zeros will make the polynomial zero. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Beta, one more important thing that I'm going to discuss here. Look at the first example. It was linear polynomial. I got only one enemy, beta. Only one zero. Correct?
Yes, sir.
The reason degree was 1. Now here it is a quadratic polynomial. Degree is 2. So how many zeros I got, beta?
2, sir.
2.
Sir.
Suppose if I go for a cubic polynomial wherein the degree is 3, how many zeros are possible?
3.
3.
3. If I go with a polynomial having the degree 10, how many zeros are possible?
10.
10.
10. It is exactly equal to the number, the highest power of the variable, nothing but equal to the degree of the polynomial. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, we will write one note, beta. The number of zeros for a given polynomial depends on the degree of the polynomial. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us write the side heading note. Right below, beta. Note. The number of zeros for any polynomial p of x depends upon its degree. That is, number of zeros is equal to the degree of polynomial. Got the concept, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will write below number 1 for linear polynomial. How many zeros are possible, beta?
1.
One,
Only
sir.
one. Only one zero. The reason its degree is 1. Beta, tell me, for quadratic polynomial, how many possible?
Two,
Two,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, let me write it down. For quadratic polynomial, 2 zeros. The reason its degree is 2. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what I'm going to write now?
Cubic, sir.
Polynomial. Cubic polynomial.
3 zeros.
Three zeros.
But it continues. If you go with the degree 4 polynomial, 4 zeros. If you go with the degree 10 of polynomial, you'll get 10 zeros. Clear, beta? Copy fast. Do it fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beta. Now, one more thing. Look at this general example. Zeros are nothing but enemies, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beta, this concept will work out here also. Can anybody tell what I mean to say? Here, this also will work properly. What is the meaning? Quick. Any guess? Yeah, Jia. Any guess, beta? How you can correlate enemies here?
By zero, sir.
1 is
Yeah,
to
beta.
1.
Yeah, anybody. Tell properly. Okay, beta. Let me finish it off. Don't want to drag the things unnecessarily. Beta, in life, there is a saying, how you are going to improve yourself, how you are going to develop your status of living, your enemies will be increased. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I repeat, how you are going to grow in your life as an individual, your enemies will be increased simultaneously. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah, but the same thing is happening in maths. The polynomial increased from linear to quadratic, 0 increased. From quadratic to cubic, again 0 increased. How this person is going to improve in the life, he is going to get the maximum number of enemies. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
beta, look into the mathematics as a part of a life in your surroundings. You will understand the concept much clear. Is it understood by everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
beta,
Yes, sir.
the take home message is zeros are nothing but the enemies for the polynomial. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, if you are getting more enemies in the life, don't get panic, beta. Somewhere it is a sign that you are developing yourself in the life. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
But remember, beta, enemies are increasing by themselves is a different thing. We are making the enemies more, that is a different thing. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So be careful about the concept here. Okay.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
hear me? Yeah, beta. With
Yes,
this,
sir.
I'm going to end the session for today. In the next class, beta, I'm going to continue with the same concept, solving the exercise 2.2. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, beta.